In this video, we will show you some amazing kitchen designs that hide appliances and offer multifunctional spaces. These kitchen designs are perfect for those who want to save space, create a minimalist look, and enjoy a versatile and practical kitchen. Let's get started. The first kitchen design we want to show you is the Hidden Kitchen by Warendorf. This is a stunning kitchen that is concealed behind a large sliding door. When the door is closed, you can't tell that there is a kitchen behind it. When the door is open, you can see a fully equipped kitchen with a sink, a stove, an oven, a dishwasher, a fridge, and plenty of storage space. The hidden kitchen is designed to blend in with the rest of the room and create a seamless transition between the living and cooking areas. The hidden kitchen is ideal for those who want to have a sleek and modern kitchen that doesn't take up too much space. The next kitchen design we want to share with you is the Kitchen Box by Clei. This is a compact and modular kitchen that can be folded and unfolded according to your needs. The kitchen box consists of a wooden box that contains a sink, a stove, an oven, a fridge, and some drawers. The box can be opened and closed by sliding panels that also serve as countertops or tables. The kitchen box can be placed anywhere in your home and can be combined with other furniture pieces, such as sofas, beds, or shelves. The kitchen box is ideal for those who want to have a flexible and functional kitchen that can adapt to different situations. The third kitchen design we want to show you is the 360-degree kitchen by Alfred Averbeck. This is an innovative kitchen that rotates around a central axis. The 360-degree kitchen consists of 4 segments that each have different functions: cooking, washing, cooling, and storing. The segments can be rotated individually or together to access the appliances or the storage space. The 360-degree kitchen also has a circular countertop that can be used as a dining table or work surface. The 360-degree kitchen is ideal for those who want to have an ergonomic and efficient kitchen that maximizes the use of space. The fourth kitchen design we want to show you is the Kitchen Tower by Philippe Starck. This is an elegant kitchen that is integrated into a vertical column. The kitchen tower contains all the essential appliances and features of a kitchen: a sink, a stove, an oven, a microwave, a fridge, a freezer, and some cabinets. The column can be rotated 180 degrees to access the different sides of the kitchen. The column also has a touchscreen panel that allows you to control the appliances and access recipes or entertainment options. The kitchen tower is ideal for those who want to have a sophisticated and smart kitchen that doesn't compromise on style or functionality. The fifth and final kitchen design we want to show you is the Kitchen Island by Robert Shearjot and Ulrich Kohl. This is an amazing kitchen that is hidden under the floor. The kitchen island consists of a hydraulic platform that can be raised or lowered by pressing a button. When the platform is raised, it reveals a complete kitchen with a sink, a stove, an oven, a dishwasher, and some storage space. When the platform is lowered, it becomes part of the floor and creates more space in the room. The kitchen island also has an induction cooktop that can be used as a table or a bench when not in use. The kitchen island is ideal for those who want to have a surprising and creative kitchen that can appear or disappear at will. Some other innovative kitchen designs that we found online are the Kitchen Workstation by Minicki. This is a modular kitchen that can be transformed into a desk or cabinet. The Kitchen Workstation consists of 3 modules that each have different functions: a sink, a stove, and a storage unit. The modules can be opened or closed by sliding doors that also serve as work surfaces. The Kitchen Workstation can be customized to fit different spaces and needs. You can find more information and order it from Minicki's website. The Kitchen Cube by Paul Maudwit. This is a futuristic kitchen that is integrated into a cube-shaped architecture. The Kitchen Cube contains all the appliances and features of a kitchen: a sink, a stove, an oven, a fridge, a freezer, a dishwasher, and some cabinets. The cube can be rotated to access the different sides of the kitchen. The cube also has a touchscreen panel that allows you to control the appliances and access recipes or entertainment options. The kitchen cube is ideal for those who want to have a minimalist and high-tech kitchen that occupies minimal space. The kitchen garden by Studio Reiglich. This is an eco-friendly kitchen that grows its own herbs and vegetables. The kitchen garden consists of a wooden frame that supports several planters that contain different types of plants. The frame also has some hooks and shelves to hang or store kitchen utensils and accessories. The kitchen garden uses a hydroponic system that recycles water and nutrients from the sink and the dishwasher. The kitchen garden is ideal for those who want to have a fresh and organic kitchen that promotes sustainability and health. And these are some books and websites on revolutionary kitchen designs. Here are some of the sources that we found online that can be helpful for you. Revolutionary Kitchen Design: How to Plan and Create a Beautiful Kitchen That Works for You by Jane Thompson. This is a book that provides practical and inspirational advice on how to design a kitchen that suits your lifestyle, budget, and taste. It covers topics such as layout, lighting, storage, appliances, materials, colors, and styles. It also features examples of real-life kitchens that showcase different design solutions and innovations. Kitchen Design Innovation by Johnny Gray. This is a book that showcases some of the most innovative and creative kitchen designs from around the world. It explores how kitchen design can reflect the culture, personality, and needs of the users. It also examines how kitchen design can incorporate new technologies, sustainability, and artistry. The Kitchen: Life World Usage Perspectives by Walter Scheifele. This is a book that explores the history, evolution, and furniture of the kitchen as a social and cultural space. It examines how the kitchen has changed over time in response to changing lifestyles, technologies, and expectations. It also discusses how the kitchen can be reimagined and reinvented to meet the challenges and opportunities of the 21st century. Kitchen Design Network. This is a website that features articles, videos, podcasts, and galleries on various aspects of kitchen design. It covers topics such as trends, tips, products, projects, and professionals. It also offers a platform for users to share their own kitchen design ideas and experiences. The Kitchen. This is a website that offers recipes, tips, tutorials, and inspiration for cooking and living in the kitchen. It covers topics such as food, health, style, organization, and entertainment. It also features stories and photos of real kitchens that showcase different styles and personalities. These were some of the books or websites on revolutionary kitchen designs that we wanted to recommend to you. We hope you find them useful and interesting. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it interesting and inspiring. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Also, let us know in the comments which kitchen design you liked the most and why. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.